Hi there. I thought it'd be easier to do a screen recording for this. So the issue that we want to address is around the open activities. Right now, when a student is requested, a new open activity is created saying, I think it's match initiated platform. And the one that's here, which has allowed them to come up in the first place as a result for a volunteer, stays the same. What we've found is that some students are being requested multiple times and the family becomes really confused with all these different messages coming in. So what we want to happen is when a student is requested on the platform and the open activity becomes match initiated platform, we want this available to be matched or new to program open activity matching category to go away. So the way I see it, there's two options. One would be that instead of creating a new open activity, we just have the system update this one, the one that either says available to be matched or new to program, and changes it to match initiated platform, and updates all the information regarding which volunteer it is and everything. That seems like that's one option. If that's possible, that's my preference. The second option would be to just keep it the way it is in terms of creating a new open activity when a match is requested, but having another flow in place that when that happens, it closes out this activity, moves it to activity history, and changes the matching category to match in progress. So I'd love to hear from you about which one of those is feasible and which one of those is easier. But the ultimate goal is to make it so once a student is requested on the volunteer portal by a volunteer, that they no longer show up to be requested by other volunteers. So let me know your thoughts on that. Thanks.